Today, a report of active cases is 134. Ki baro hapo kejela kejungi khamtam ha shilong kilong kibam bah hado mentah. But baling ong ta namar ba tang hapo arpusan singi kikis kijungi kiba ngilakot hado nrus patam kaya markat but kashispa khatsau singi mensyam senam hau arhajar arfo kasimpor hado shispa khatsau singi wadlai ngilashemi kilat kibaper banyada nuni kucang Jepang mencap senam kasimpor ngi kata ndrei mentau senam tangapo arpusan singi ngipoi markat juk kaba kerekod kaba mencap senam kalong kasimpor hado shispa khatsau singi dei nang kata kadang nakaliang jong ke department ke jongi ngisim khiai kani nakaliang government but pin sutu syai balai bakalong gumni. This year we should be fully prepared and to stop this pandemic. We cannot depend on anybody here. Ngimla. Once you been shaped tang hakikat tu kat ni, tang ke sarkar. The responsibility is you and me. But kata ke responsibility nakaliang ka jongki, nakaliang ka jonga, nakaliang ka jongi barkhat. Kani kaban ayangi ke bor banile i kani ke klam.